I'm Mahajoub Bello-Roufai. I'm the President of Research and Process Development at Akron Biotech. Akron Bio focuses on delivering bioproduct, GMP grade bioproduct to the cell therapy industry, as well as service for development and manufacturing of plasmids and nucleases to the community. For this 2024 ASGCT, we are proud to launch our T cell media, immunocell, immunocell growth medium that we launched this year. We are very excited that the community is really excited about what we are launching. We had a lot of attraction around question about this T cell media. We are sure there's going to be a game changer in the field. We were happy to launch also our IL-7, IL-15 closed system solution that we started with the IL-2 line of products, and now we are expanding our portfolio with other cytokine in the industry. And we know that this line of product, the closed system, will be a game changer.